Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something truly special, a revival of an old school legend. Dodge is bringing back the Lil Red Express truck for 2026, and let me tell you, this thing is everything a muscle truck should be. It's bold, loud, and built to dominate the streets just like its 1978 predecessor. Right off the bat, the styling is unmistakable. Dodge nailed the retro-inspired design with a modern twist. The body is sculpted with aggressive lines, but it keeps that signature stepside bed. And of course, it wouldn't be a Lil Red Express without the bright red paint, gold pinstriping, and massive vertical exhaust stacks rising behind the cab. These aren't just for show either. They let the V8 under the hood breathe freely, while sounding absolutely glorious. Speaking of power, Dodge packed this truck with some serious muscle. Under the hood, you'll find a naturally aspirated 6.4-liter Hemi V8, pumping out 485 horsepower and 475 lb-ft of torque. That's right, no turbo, no hybrid assist, just raw, old-school power. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, sending all that grunt to the rear wheels. The result? A truck that launches hard, roars down the road, and makes every drive feel like a trip back to the golden era of muscle. Dodge didn't stop at just power. They made sure this thing handles too. The suspension is sport-tuned, giving it a lower stance and improved cornering capability compared to a standard Ram. It rides on 20-inch polished aluminum wheels wrapped in performance tires, gripping the pavement with authority. The rear axle gets a limited slip differential to help put down all that power, and the brakes are upgraded to handle aggressive driving. This isn't just a truck for cruising, it's built to perform. Inside, the 2026 Lil Red Express balances retro charm with modern tech. You get classic wood grain trim, embroidered Lil Red Express badging on the seats, and a thick-rimmed steering wheel that feels just right in your hands. But don't worry, it's not stuck in the past. Dodge included a digital gauge cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a booming premium sound system. It's a perfect mix of nostalgia and modern convenience. This truck isn't just a gimmick, it's a true muscle truck built for enthusiasts. Dodge kept the spirit of the original alive while adding enough modern touches to make it a blast to drive in 2026. If you're looking for something bold, loud, and unapologetically American, the Lil Red Express is the truck for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.